If you're looking to integrate Top Echelon with your CRM, you've come to the right place. Whether you're using a basic CRM or a more advanced system, Top Echelon makes it easy to streamline your recruitment processes and sync up data to maximize efficiency. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to integrate Top Echelon with your CRM and get the most out of both tools step by step. Before we dive in, make sure to check out the exclusive link below to get Top Echelon with extended free access and bonuses. This offer isn't available anywhere else, so you don't want to miss it. Now, let's get into the integration process. First off, you'll want to ensure that your CRM is compatible with Top Echelon. Most CRMs can connect seamlessly with Top Echelon via API or through a third-party integration tool. If you're not sure whether your CRM is compatible, don't worry. Top Echelon's support team provides a great list of all supported CRMs, so you can easily check before getting started. Once you've confirmed compatibility, it's time to access your Top Echelon settings. From your dashboard, navigate to the Integrations tab. You'll usually find this in the Settings or Admin section of your account. Here, you'll be able to choose from a variety of integration options depending on your CRM's capabilities. Whether it's a simple data import or a full API integration, Top Echelon makes it easy. If your CRM supports API integration, this is the best option for a smooth connection. You'll need your CRM's API key, which can be found within your CRM settings. Once you've got that, just enter it into the appropriate field in Top Echelon's integration settings, and you're good to go. Top Echelon will sync your candidate information, job orders, and placements in real time, so your CRM stays updated without manual input. For CRMs that don't offer direct API connections, don't worry. Top Echelon provides CSV imports as an alternative. This method allows you to export your data from the CRM into a spreadsheet, then upload it into Top Echelon. This method might require a little more manual work, but it's still a highly effective way to keep everything in sync. One of the big advantages of integrating Top Echelon with your CRM is the automated workflows. Once connected, you can set up automated processes for tracking candidates, communicating with clients, and managing your recruitment pipeline. This reduces the manual effort involved in keeping track of everything and ensures that you never miss a critical step in your recruitment efforts. Also, by syncing candidate data, you gain access to the powerful reporting features that Top Echelon offers. With real-time reporting, you can track your recruitment process more efficiently and make data-driven decisions that lead to better placements and quicker deals. Before you wrap up, let me highlight one more benefit of using Top Echelon's integration with your CRM. The software automatically tracks your recruiting activity and lets you set custom alerts for important milestones in your recruiting process. This way, you can follow up with candidates and clients at just the right time, ensuring that you stay ahead of the competition. To get started with this integration, all you need to do is take advantage of the exclusive link below to get Top Echelon for free, along with our extended free trial. You won't find a better deal anywhere else. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link below to claim your bonus and start optimizing your recruitment process today.